Actress Jennifer Garner almost came to tears when describing to California lawmakers how badly paparazzi harass her and her children. She and Halle Berry made emotional pleas to California lawmakers yesterday. They're fighting for a bill that would increase penalties for paparazzi who photograph a child without the parent's permission or harass a child under the age of 16. Berry, who is pregnant, said her 5-year-old daughter has been so traumatized by paparazzi, she was afraid to go to preschool. Garner choked up when she talked about her fears for her children. The bill would face plenty of First Amendment challenges if it's signed into law by California's Governor Jerry Brown. Let's bring in our legal dream team. We've got criminal defense attorney Joey Jackson in studio with me. From Los Angeles, we've got criminal defense attorney Courtney Pilchman. And from Florida, criminal defense attorney Marc Lyons. Welcome to you all. Great to see you. And Mark, do we need extra laws for this, though? Can't you do stalking? Can't you do harassment? Can't you do assault if they physically harm you?
I'm glad that you brought that up because those are my feelings exactly. There are stalking laws on the books. There's civil restraining orders that are available. I don't think that there should be laws that are specific, as you've discussed before, for celebrities or otherwise.
And we all know how hard the rumor mills work in show business. Could AEG really have been oblivious to what was happening? All right, let's bring in the legal dream team. Who does this help? What do you think, Mark? Do you agree?
I don't agree. I mean, this is a grown man who has instructed doctors to come to his hotel back in the 90s and set up a surgical suite so he could sleep for 8 hours under some type of injection that he received. It's hard for me to take that leap that AEG should be responsible for the care that he received in light of the situation of the past drug use or otherwise and the nature of the injuries and the mental condition that he was at that time. I can't put my finger or find that one fact that seems to support that AEG was there with the injection on his, wherever it was on his body, pushing that into him, saying you have to do this in order to move forward with the concert. It's just, I'm not finding that. There's some degree of individual responsibility that must be taken by Mr. Jackson.
Wow, and that's the if. You know, can they prove this in a courtroom? Let's bring back in the dream team. Marc Lyons, how about it? You're looking from the outside into this case. Is this an easy case to defend, or is this a tough one?
Without seeing more of the evidence and the specifics as it relates to the diagnoses and the misdiagnoses, I think it would be a difficult case for me to render an opinion on. But I can tell you what, I'm surprised that the federal government didn't look more into the fact that if this guy was administering drugs or otherwise, knowing full well that these people did not have that disease, he should be charged with battery. It's no different than somebody purposefully giving you something or punching you in the face and causing you physical disability or physical harm. Other than that, it would be tough to call at this point. I think it's a little premature without seeing what the government has.
Joey, Mark, Courtney, appreciate it. Thanks so much.